When you are looking for the best portable blender for you, you will come across many different options. It can be difficult to determine which portable blender is the best for your needs, but no worries. In this video, we will talk about some of the best options that you would love. We have handpicked this list after a long research so that you can find them useful and beneficial for your needs. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Hamilton Portable Blender. Compact design and BPA free. Blend and drink from the 14-ounce jar and lid, which are both dishwasher safe. Makes great smoothies, shakes, baby formula, marinades, salad dressing and more. Stainless steel blades. Ice crushing power for smooth results. Easy to clean. The efficient 175-watt motor provides all the power you need for fast, reliable performance. Number 2. Ballywood Portable Personal Blender. This 6-blade portable blender is more powerful than the traditional 4 mini blades, making fruit juices and vegetables into amazing smoothies effortlessly. When cleaning, you only need to add some water to the cup and press the button to start automatic cleaning. The USB juicer cup is equipped with a built-in 2000 mAh rechargeable battery that can be easily charged through a power library, laptop, computer, mobile phone or other USB device. This portable blender uses food-grade non-toxic and environmentally friendly PP and ABS materials, non-toxic and environmentally friendly. Number 3. Oster BLSTPBWPK Portable Blender. Blend your favorite smoothie or shake right in this sport bottle. Dishwasher safe 20-ounce BPA-free plastic sport bottle. Crush ice with 400 watts of power, 250 blending watts with 1-touch blending. Recipes included in the instruction manual. It comes with 16 inches long cord. It has BPA-free plastic sport bottle, and it is dishwasher safe and fits in most car cup holders. Number 4. Devon Personal Blender Mini Shakes. This portable blender is built-in safety features prevent the motor from overheating and the blades from spinning. It has powerful 5 volts electrical motor that spins its 6-point stainless steel blades at a blazingly fast 22,000 RPM. The portable USB rechargeable blender equipped with a built-in rechargeable battery makes 8 to 12 cups per charger. The Juicer Smoothie Blender compact and portable design is made from BPA-free food-safe materials. It fits in most standard size cup holders. Number 5. Oberle Portable Blender for Shakes and Smoothies. Built-in USB rechargeable, this powerful blender with 6-point stainless steel blades can produce 10 to 12 cups per charge. It can be charged by power bank, laptop, car charger or USB charger. Single button operation makes this personal blender quick and easy to use. This portable blender has a magnetic induction switch, which can work normally only when the 2 magnetic poles of the jar and the base are attached. Built-in safety features prevent overheating and overcharging, extending the life of it. It is made from high-quality BPA-free and PP food-grade material. Easy to clean, perfect for shakes and smoothies, protein shakes, juice, yogurt, dressings, etc. Number 6. Pop Baby's Portable Blender. Compact design personal blender, safe and versatile smoothie blender. It is blending while charging. 4 leaves blade, BPA-free food-grade material. Cup detachable from the motor. TSA safe and children safe. Perfect blender for home, office, or travel. Number 7. Muller Ultra Bullet Personal Blender for Shakes. Powerful and compact design. Ultra-sharp stainless steel blades. 1-touch operation for smooth results. Portable blending jar with drinking lid. BPA-free quality. Safety lock protection. Easy to clean. Wraparound cord storage. Number 8. Jalonlife Portable Blender. The USB juicer cup is built-in 4000 mAh rechargeable high-quality batteries that can be recharged in a variety of ways, like charging by power bank, AC adapter, and computer. The portable blender is designed with 6 PCs 304 stainless steel blades and powerful 7.4 volts, 150 W pure copper motor. The higher level of rotation frequency achieved 22,000 RMP, which can make shakes and smoothies within 40 seconds. This portable smoothie blender is built-in safety features prevent the motor from overheating and the blades from spinning when the jar isn't connected to the base. The personal mini blender is made of BPA-free food-grade PCTGPP, which is a kind of low inflation, high, low temperature resistant, high strength, high hardness material, and silicone bottom, non-slip and shock absorption.